You.
What's up?
What's up? Ready to do some drifty things today?
I don't know if I'm ready, but I'm down.
You got a couple laps left on these.
Nah, I don't know about that one.
Nah, I mean,
Yeah. All right, what is up, guys? So today is the second round of the Lock City Drift Street Series drift event. It's the first time we've had like drifting competitions in the Northeast, so it's kind of a big deal. Last time my car broke, and I still qualified and placed fourth, which is really cool. Competition looks a little bit heavier this time around, so if I get past the first round, I'll be happy. I'm just out here trying to have fun. But as you guys know, this has been like the craziest couple weeks of my life. Didn't have any time to prep my car at all. Yesterday we were still moving stuff around between the two shops, and I could barely talk. I was so tired, and I'm still really tired today. So while I have you guys, all I want to say is you guys have been so supportive of this whole entire move process. You guys have been saying such nice things, and honestly, I see the comments, I see the DMs, even though sometimes I can't get back to all of them, and I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are honestly the greatest subscribers anyone can ever ask for, and I want you guys to know that. So keep it up, stay hyped for me, and we got big things to come. But today, I'm nervous, I'm tired, and my car feels like shit and it looks like shit, but I don't care. We're gonna have fun. And Derek's here, and you're the best pit crew ever, you know that?
thank you.
I really appreciate you.
Yeah, I appreciate you. It looks like shit, but it goes like hell. So
yeah, we'll see what happens. So I showed up with having no tires mounted. I can't find the tire machine, so I don't know. I'm hoping I get put up against Adam in like the second round or something. I think it'd be fun, even though he's gonna blow my doors off. You ready?
Hey, banner check. Check out this sick blade work.
12.5 footer.
Yeah, don't look at this side. This side's better.
Nice work.
No, this side's better. Look at the bad side.
What did you use, your nail? Shut up! Well, the rest of the car looks good.
What's a team guide?
Good enough. See what happens.
I'll just show him a tap because I think we were just waiting.
No, that's perfect. All right, so we get testing. We get groups of 5 of hot laps, which is pretty good.
So just kill it.
Yeah. So new tires, more power than usual, or more power than last time. So.
Hey! Look at who's here.
Low tire pressure on the rear.
He's over here.
So rad.
So pretty. You're literally like the prettiest thing. Here's my foot. Here, tuck.
Look it.
Tuck.
Tell him why you mad.
Oh, here we go. Get me right. Yeah, show it off. Yeah.
It's just getting way too hot under the hood. I had to take, as much as I hate being that guy, I had to do it.
Come on, do it. Get back to it.
Really?
All right, Bob.
I like got nervous for it. I don't usually get nervous when I'm drifting. It just kind of, because like when you start drifting, everything kind of goes away. But that time I was nervous. I entered and it didn't break loose and I was like, oh man.
Well, yeah, get that out of your system and go back out there.
I started to go and I was like, man, my car's going fast. Like,
that's good.
We looked at the maps and my last couple runs was pulling 5 degrees of timing because of the temps. So I probably picked up 30 horsepower that run, and it definitely threw me off. So I was coming in the straight and I was just like, oh shit.
The water sprayer hits.
The water spray in the hood, yeah.
Go see your friends. Come on.
Tucker, look. Let's go.
Tucker, look.
Let's go.
Are we old friends? Good job, Took. Good job.
How did you and I meet from the big blues fighting in the street? But only you saw what took many time to see. I dedicate this to you for believing in me. Rain or shine, yes, in any weather. Grandma Pam holds the family together. For Uncle Doc's the greatest. Better
Nice transition.
We're talking about a car, Sterling got the latest. I tried to be live because I got no choice. And run my own.
Nice finish somewhere. Let's hear it for Jimmy O. Good run. That's what we're looking for.
Perfect.
You figured it out.
I heard his mom. Hear his mom over there. Next up, we got the points leader, Joshua Lees.
That was good.
Let's see what Joshua can put down for us here in a street car.
That was amazing. That was so good. Like could not have gone better.
Like I said, I'm never nervous drifting, but I'm like coming through the last sweeper, full throttle, like shaking. Like I'm like freaking out right now. I don't know why.
That was amazing.
I don't know if like, thank you.
It was so good.
That felt good. I don't know if like
No, you'll be fine.
what's
You'll be
happening,
great.
but I freaking out a little bit.
You did amazing. It was perfect.
Good?
That was sick. That was a sick run.
He's got the Finch number, although he doesn't actually have the number right before the vehicle today. That's a Halo light.
Nice work, kid.
M3,
Look at his setup right here.
I got my crew chief right here.
All right, we're gonna go over the run
get
for
too
the
tight.
first time. We're gonna. Oh, that's FT. That's FT. Hold on. All right, clubhouse. So, what you're gonna want to do is you're coming in hot here.
Super hot.
Slow her down a little bit. Get the set the angle. Come around. Hammer.
All right, so qualifying is now over. We each got 2 runs each, and they're gonna take our best run out of the 2, which is good. So we're gonna see who qualified what. Really, like the qualifying position doesn't matter too much. It's kind of just a gauge of like where people are gonna perform usually. But we just gotta make sure we're in the top 32, which is easy because it's only like 34 drivers maybe. So.
Ooh.
Give me a right.
Ooh, I was ready. I thought that was air horn.
Mechanics apparel.
That's fine, I need a can.
It looks good.
Might be a fashion statement.
Could be. Will be.
Yep.
He's creating it.
Trendsetter. You know, it's 2019. You gotta, be out of the box a little bit.
Yeah, dude, I mean, if you have an LS, I'll tune it. I mean, just basically unplug the wastegate. We'll just do a kill run. Fuck it. We'll just, full timing. Just, Yeah, I mean, if you just stop being a bitch and just fucking, let the thing eat, I mean, it can make some serious power, but, Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go polish the wheels on my 750 and then pull my motor again just to do a quick head gasket. Fuck it, Alright, yeah, dude, I'll catch up to you later.
Number 1 qualifier with
Adam, lasagna.
do number 1 first. 87 points. Sir Adam LZ, number 5. Qualifier 78 on both runs. Number 110, Jordan.
Nice work.
77, we got number 76, Jimmy Oakes.
Yes, sir.
Boy, top 3.
74 points, number 120, Tom Mazzaro. 73 points.
I'm done
Kevin
clapping.
Fonda.
I'm not clapping anymore.
Sick.
Nice work, dog.
I'm surprised. We all are.
So it came out and it's now like total tornado.
It's Armageddon.
Oh, you hear that? You hear it? It's crazy. Oh my God. Oh my, it's like hailing. Look at that. Oh my God.
Yo!
I'm getting wet.
Where's the tornado?
This is hard. Oh my God. Look at these. No. I don't know what to do. This is hard. Think of it.
Yo, this is too funny.
Oh my God.
He's gonna get Dude, those are some big pieces of hair.
They're ginormous. I gotta make a run for it.
I feel so bad for everyone not in the pits. Oh.
Like us?
Oh.
It's crazy. It's all closed.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
I got wet.
Oh my God. You ran in it?
I was in the food line.
No, I would have gave that up.
You look great.
But yeah, I don't know where Derek is. Is he back? He made a run.
I'm sure Derek found a hole to crawl in.
I know.
So Jimmy qualified awesome. Did you tell him?
Yeah, the judges came up to us and told me I had the top qualifying run until Adam came and spanked me.
Either way, Jimmy got to buy his first round, so he should get some practice on this new wet course and figure it all out. So that's really exciting.
Yeah, it's bad out now. This is not good. Whatever.
Well, you got a little one up on the competition right now. You get a practice
I have
run.
Derek's money though.
Yeah.
Use it to its advantage.
For sure.
You're gonna do amazing. We're all super proud of you.
Thank you. So,
Good job.
Just not spin.
I can't wait to push on the other side because it's awful. Insane speed bar. When I'm tail up dragging with it, that road. Shut up. Yeah, I'm not gonna really know.
Turn one, it's slick, watch out.
It looks really bad.
Got 5 minutes. Homies and I'm asking y'all, which part are y'all playing basketball? Get me on the court and I'm troubled. Last week fucked around and got a triple-double. Freaking niggas every way like MJ. I can't believe JJ.
Nice. That was good. That was good.
The top 4 qualifiers get a money run, a buy run, which means you basically get a free run. The rain is horrible. I have zero control. I literally have no idea what I'm doing. It's really, I have such little grip. It's terrifying. So I linked it last time somehow, but like I'm nervous. I don't know how I'm gonna tandem like this. So
Just do what you do. You'll be fine.
We have so many people. Wise decision with the tent today, Patty.
I know, right?
Like, very wise.
I bought the biggest one. I knew better.
Like, still down for it. Who's gonna win?
There it goes.
Do it, drifting. I'm battling Miata Rob. He placed
First
second.
split, yeah.
He placed second last time. His car is fast. Does your shutter need to open more? I don't know. Or is it supposed to be like that? I don't know.
What am I saying?
Yeah, there we go. Jimmy's gonna win, and then we're gonna battle each other. I hope so. You should clean up. I get to go against you.
Now it looks like Adam Ozzie versus Cody Collins. We have Jimmy lead the way due to the higher qualifying score. I'll be surprised if this isn't a close battle. Both these drivers are excellent.
You ready, Jimmy?
Let's go, bro.
Nice, Jimmy!
We'll have the driver switch.
That was good.
Have Rob lead. Jimmy giving chase.
Yeah, but you stay forward.
My heart's beating.
I know, mine too.
There we go. Oh, Jimmy with the spin. Oh no.
No, get it!
See if Rob can just finish clean here. The answer to this question. The answer is Rob Wyszynski with a win. Jimmy Oaks putting on a good performance all day long, though. He is no slouch, ladies and gentlemen. And he'll be back again, I know it.
Hate to see it.
Next up, we got Staten Island's finest.
That was good. The first lap was good.
I think I would have did really well if it was dry.
I know.
I tried. So I fully committed in the beginning, and then I was having a lot of trouble on like the downhill in practice because like if you try to get on throttle at all, you just spin there because it's so slippery. So you almost have to like let all your speed come from the straight, and then you kind of just float down the hill. And I glued him pretty good I glued him on the entry, and then I tried to like feather back into the throttle. Like I was literally like clutch slipping, like trying to get back straight, and the car just. And I was like,
it happened so slow.
I was like, no. I felt it. I was just like, please don't. And it just, fuck you. You know what I mean? But
real slick in the back there.
that's the one spot.
Downhill.
Yeah, that's the one spot. You have to like.
Is there a lot of water on the track? or is
It's
it
in
just
banks.
pavement?
It's in banks. Yeah. It's even slippery when it's dry. So, if I didn't spin there, I think it would have been a really.
It was close at first.
I think I would have held my own pretty well if I didn't spin on the entry, but I saw it coming. I tried really hard during practice to overcome that, but whatever.
No, it's easy to see what we have to improve on the car.
Yeah, my lead run felt really good though.
It looked
Yeah,
good.
it looked good.
It looked really good.
So that took a lot. So whatever. You know what? I lost to second place winner of last series, so it's not like I lost to some random kid. So that was pretty cool. You know, I don't know.
He was really good. No,
yeah.
he's good. He's
That
a
was
good
cool.
drifter.
So I was happy with my entry. So.
That was really good.
But you know, it's fun being out here, and these are good shakedowns to the car, so I know what to improve next time. And it's awesome because I have such a cool team with me. All the guys help me out. Derek's such a huge help, and it's cool. So let's go watch the rest of it and see who. I mean, Adam's
gonna win.
Unless Adam really fucks up, he's
Really
gonna win.
messes
I'm not saying everyone else is bad. Like everyone else,
He's
there's
just
some really good drivers out there.
I would bet probably all the money in my wallet right now that Adam would win.
All $20.
I want
If
to
anyone wants to bet me someone else is gonna win,
I just can't wait for the Front Street Josh versus LZ battle because it always ends up to those two.
Yeah, that's
It's gonna be gnarly. Let's go have some fun. I'm hungry.
Swoosh.
All right, so I don't know how much footage was taken today. I can't even speak. But today was a sick day. What do you think, Derek?
Today was a great day.
So I got knocked out pretty early, but it was still sick. I qualified third, which is pretty dope. Yeah. Especially considering that LZ and stuff was here, and the heat was on this event for sure. Way harder than the last one.
Well, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Your first qualifying lap needed work. Your second qualifying lap might have been one of the best laps of the day, hands down.
Hell yeah.
And I'm not saying that because you're my boy. I honestly meant it, but. Then the rain came, and it kind of showed us some issues that we need to work on with the car.
For sure.
And but overall, fantastic day.
That was sick. But I cannot wait for the next round, I guess they call it. Hopefully it's within the next month. I'm really excited. The series has really helped push, I think, this scene dramatically in the couple months that it's already been here. So definitely something to look forward to. So. Next time we're coming for LZ's neck. We're gonna get on a podium and it's gonna be sick. So we're going out to eat. We're all tired. We're all hungry. Derek's grumpy and
super grumpy.
That's it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content and stay tuned for some awesome content coming up very shortly with the new shop. Comment.